Hey everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to draw Bezier in an EasyEDA schematic. First, look at the toolbar about the drawing area. You'll find an icon that looks like S shape. That's the Bezier tool. Click on it, and you'll enter Bezier drawing mode. Now, in the schematic workspace, click step by step to set the start point, control point, and end point of the Bezier. Once you release the mouse, you'll see a smooth Bezier line appear. Next, let's adjust the Bezier. When you select the Bezier you just drew, you'll see green handles at both ends and in the middle. You can drag these green nodes to change the angles and curvature of the line. For example, if you drag the middle node upward, the Bezier becomes higher and more rounded. If you pull it downward, the Bezier gets flatter. This makes the solver easy to shape the Bezier exactly how you want. Using this feature, you can not only draw smooth lines for circuit connections, but also add decorative or structural Bezier to make your schematic look cleaner and more visually appealing. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Now you know how to draw and adjust Bezier in your EasyEDA schematic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.